We here at Jasper Engines have introduced the latest evolution of one of our most popular engines. Hi, I'm Ryan Dooley, Director of Jasper's Diesel Manufacturing, and I'm thrilled to unveil our newest product offering, a special complete version 6.7 Power Stroke engine. This unit is designed for those seeking a more complete engine solution, reducing assembly time and minimizing your shop's liability. Our special complete package includes valve covers, cam sensor and damper, the crank sensor, and the most crucial part, Bosch OEM injectors. We make installation seamless with a finishing gasket kit to facilitate the transfer of your parts from your core engine. Backed by a 2-year unlimited mile warranty, you can trust in the durability and performance of every Jasper engine. Jasper offers additional high-pressure pump and turbo purchase options for a complete upgrade. Choose Jasper for quality, reliability, and unmatched service in diesel engine solutions. Contact your sales representative today for more details and purchasing.